Hello everyone, welcome back to my mess. So today is Sunday. Sunday is fun day. Today I wanna clean my room. Sounds very fun, right? I personally am probably like one of the messiest people on earth. I hate to tidy up. I feel like everyone hates to tidy up, basically. I love my nail situation. Yes, thank you. Bye. But I really hate to do it. So today I was like, why not do it with you? Because then I would love it. Yeah, I love my content. It's very sunny outside, so we're gonna stay inside. Let's go get some help from Vincent because I can't film myself while doing this. Oh, wow, that's what I look like. Wait, what is on my foot? Help. Vincent, I have a really fun thing to do. Oh, are you dead? Oh, baby. Hello. Oh, good morning, Cheddar. Oh, that's so photography. Yes, bring it. Yes. Oh my God, what a model. Do you want to tidy up my room with me? Well, you really just need to film me while doing this. You don't need to tidy up.
I got you, boo.
I love that we're having the contrast between our rooms. Like Vincent's room is just always perfect, and then we're getting into my room. It looks worse on camera than in real life, I promise.
Hi. Wow, I can't even see you. Where are you?
It's a mess. It's a mess. Welcome to my mess. This is what I have to live with every day because I just don't tidy up, and if I do, it's gonna be messy like right after, like the next day, like immediately. I literally don't know where to start. Vincent, do we have a structure?
Do you have a structure?
No, do you have a structure?
I have a structure. Do you have a structure?
No, but tell me your structure.
Oh, I don't have a structure for your room. We need a room tour.
No,
Never done
I don't
a room
want to do a room. Right here we have my clothing rail, which is breaking apart. I can't even. We're just gonna leave that. Let's do like a big pile of clothes, shall we? These are the packages for my next video. I have a big video plan. Just kidding, it's another wish thing, but throw them outside.
Yes.
So we're gonna deal with this later. My socks are way too big. Okay, so let's take this jacket and put it up there to the jacket door.
Yeah, you're doing great.
I can't reach it.
Should I help you?
Let's do a pile of clothes.
What are we gonna do?
A pile of clothes.
I hate you.
This is my beginning. This is my beginning and the end.
You are it.
I need more white. Dirty. Don't film this. It's my dirty ass bra. Don't film it! Is this white? Twist it, lock it, pop it, drop it.
Polka dotted.
War das richtig?
Ich weiß nicht, wolltest du Hannah Montana machen? No. Okay, you can do it.
No! Ah! I have to be dramatic. Vincent, I'm sorry, but could I just
Oh my God!
These are actually new.
Ooh.
They're a little big, a little huge.
Aye, done fancy. You wanna wash them?
No, this is just the pile of clothes. This is the pile of washing clothes.
But what about
This
the
is
jacket you were asking about? If you could
Oh,
wash.
yeah.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
But I need a third pile then.
Oh my God!
Confusion.
Put these clothes away immediately.
No.
I really don't understand your logic. Let's go, motivation.
Okay, I was just creating my piles of clothes. That's the pile technique, by the way. It's very common. Once a man called Edward Pileson created it. Thanks, Eddie. Thanks to you, my room's gonna be so clean afterwards. I forgot what these are for.
Ah, a great place for a jacket. Wow.
I don't know when was the last time I washed this.
2013?
Maybe. Yes, it's a meme made by Vincenzo Del Minonzo.
Oh, who's that?
It's you. Then we got some chopsticks just randomly laying around on my table. Let's go to the kitchen and put them away properly. Oh no! What a mess is this?
Oh!
Do you think I could make them pop?
Oh! Wow.
I made a toast earlier and I forgot about it.
Harry.
Ooh. Stop. Let's do what we were here for. Let's put the chopsticks away.
Are you not gonna wash them?
Yes, of course I am.
Oh yeah.
Soul drop. Yes. For your soul.
Yes, we're making progress.
Are we? I got my camera because I'm a YouTuber. Can we carry on?
Yeah.
You know, it's not always easy to film and sleep and do everything in one room. I really need a second room to film actually, but not gonna happen. I found a spoon. Yeah, makeup collection, kind of. Naomi version. Oh, you actually want to know a funny story?
Yes, tell us a funny story.
Do you know these crepes? Crepes?
Crepes?
Crepe?
Crepe.
This is a crepe.
Is this your funny story?
And then you roll it up. So you roll it up, you eat this.
Oh, that looks so tasty. Love me some good old paper.
You want them? I feel like this one's a little old, but... So you can see all the brown stuff coming. Me on the toilet. And then you're just gonna eat the chocolate.
This really looks like toilet time. Oh, yeah. Eat that shit.
So that's how you eat a crepe.
Literally.
This is my trash bag, by the way.
Cool, what's in there?
It has nothing to do with ASOS. I love ASOS. Don't sue me. I sometimes just start with my makeup table and then it just gets flowing going.
Did you just give up on your clothes?
Yeah, trash.
Oh no! I ripped me pants on your fucking chair. This is literally the worst chair ever. What is this even?
Don't expose my chair. I've had it for 10 years.
Yeah.
Literally. I think I had it for
You never should have gotten it.
This is my favorite part, putting the brushes back in because that's really easy to do and it doesn't take a lot of time.
They look super clean. I love how you clean them.
Stop it! Stop
Every
throwing
day.
shade! Break up, open.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause I'm bored. I need my trash bag. XOXO. Your trash bag. I just found trash.
Trash.
Don't worry, we're gonna separate that later.
You can do it.
Fill me up.
Buttercup.
Don't break my heart.
Dum, dum, dum.
Lieblingsgast. Trash.
Oh, look! You killed Merida.
Empty. Trash.
They look amazing.
Allzweck-Tücher. This brand is called Good and Cheap. That's so my brand. Give me the brand deal, Good and Cheap. You got yourself a testimonial. Trash.
Basura.
Yo pussy basura.
Yeah.
Basura!
Ah.
No. So we got a random bag with makeup in here, so we gotta just put it back. So much pain.
I feel like one of us is gonna die in this video. This is
Not gonna be me.
You're gonna kill me just like Merida.
It's old Lady Gaga in there too.
Oh my god. Let's give them an overview.
Don't! We're not done yet! Come closer. I'm gonna kill you. Just like Merida. Do you think I can throw this onto my pile from here?
Wee!
Oh no! It landed on the white pile!
Oh no!
Oh, can you give me my basura? Look, that's me and me mom.
Hi, BB.
People always be commenting on my soy sauce on my nightstand, which is also very important.
Are these even piles anymore? You just created a whole new mess. A whole new mess.
Is that white? White pile?
Yeah, it's totally white. I always wonder why your room is never clean. Because
I'm drawing on the best fake self-esteem. We just did a little break because I posted my 1 millionth subscriber broccoli special, and now it's basically already dark outside. Oh,
Yeah.
we got some more for the white pile.
let's do this shit.
A butt plug.
It's in your shoes.
I really need to unpack my...
10 suitcases. Because all of them are still full.
I know. I hate unpacking suitcases. Oh, trash.
Ah, I'm getting them shots. Wow.
Did you know my name backwards is Imone?
Yes.
Okay.
You're probably gonna find more.
Yeah, you think so?
Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello.
You see what I mean? It's like, I kind of, I don't know, it's just...
Take a risk.
Take a shot.
Give it all that you've got.
All of it.
Like all.
All of it. Oh, my pants. Stop! Oh, wow, violence alert.
Everything's falling down.
I unpacked the whole suitcase.
I mean, there's still
The
stuff
whole
in there.
suitcase. Not very well. Oh, packages. Farewell.
I'm moving.
Okay, I think it's time for Maria to get the hell out of here.
Marita, be dead somewhere else. It's time for bed.
Okay.
That's not what I meant. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay, time to make your bed. Work it, mama.
Whoa! I found a hair tie. I don't know. I found a chewing gum.
Tell us your best pickup line.
Naomi.
Is that a mirror in your pocket? Because I can see myself in your pants.
I don't get it. Why would you put my pants on?
I know you're busy today, but can you add me to your to-do list?
Time for laundry.
Okay.
Ah! I think we need to,
Oh, you have to say a pickup line with helium. I'm really into these pickup lines.
Do you like science? Because I've got my eye on you. Are you Wi-Fi? Because I'm really feeling a connection.
I forgot it.
If I had a garden, I'd put your tulips and my tulips together.
Ah, das war gut.
Hello from the other side. Yeah. What is I need a... Oh my god, it's not going away. Help! My doctor says I'm lacking vitamin U.
I feel so scary. Oh.
Well, I think we are almost done here, or let's say it's as good as it's gonna get today because we are both tired. We just ordered some Italian food and yeah. Okay guys, I think that's it. That was my video. I think it's gonna be amazing.
Are you grateful?
Grateful for my broccolis.
What are you grateful for today? Comment down below.
Okay, so guys, that was not even a makeover. That was literally just me cleaning my room. That was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and tidying up my room with me. Thank you so much for thanks to Edward Pileson, because of his pile theory, I made it today. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon Snap on Snapchat, and the Naomijon on Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Woo! Oh my god, look at this beautiful room! Wait, and my socks. No, wait.